Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to edit hair in Picsart. Editing hair in Picsart can help you enhance, change, or stylize your hair in photos. So here is a step-by-step guide you can follow. First of all, open up the Picsart application on your device. Now click on the See All with a plus button at the top left corner and then select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. After selecting the picture, go ahead and select the retouch option from the bottom of the screen and then select hair color from the list below at the bottom of the screen. Now you can select your desired hair color so that you can edit your hair, and after selecting the color, you can also increase or decrease the amount of color you would want to add to your picture. You can also increase or decrease the saturations by dragging the little white dot on the bars, and you can also manually brush over the hair to adjust the color. If you make any mistakes throughout the edit, click on the erase button at the bottom right and then erase around the area where you made a mistake. So that is how you will be able to edit your hair. Click on the apply button at the top right corner. Once you are done, export your video like you normally do. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.